Hey there, my name is Erika, and in today's video I am going to show you an Easter Peeps recipe that you can use after the holidays when you have all of those leftover Peeps. For this recipe you will need butter. I used pink melting chips, M&Ms, and of course popcorn. The first thing I'm going to do is put the popcorn into the microwave for the allotted time. Next, I'm going to go ahead and separate out 2 tablespoons of butter, and I will also choose the flavor of Peeps that I will be melting along with that butter. Before you remove the popcorn from the microwave, you are going to want to lay out some wax paper and evenly distribute the popcorn onto the wax paper. Now I'm going to take a small pan and start melting the butter down. Now that the butter is nice and melted, I will start putting Peeps into the hot butter one by one. And I will continue mixing that vigorously because I do not want this to burn. Once the mixture is nice and melted, you want to go ahead and pour that over your popcorn. Just drizzle it everywhere and then give it a good mix with a spatula. You can even use your fingers. I would caution against that. It is pretty hot, but that is basically what you have to do. Now I'm going to go ahead and melt a different flavor because I felt like this popcorn needed a little more of the Peeps mixture. And here I am once again drizzling the second flavor over my popcorn. Once I knew that the mixture had cooled a bit, I went in with my hands and gave it a good mix. I wanted as much of the popcorn to be coated for, the most flavor. And you can definitely stop the recipe at this point, but I took it a bit further because that's just how I am, and I added some of the pink melting chocolate. And after the melting chocolate, I took it another step further and I added some mini M&Ms. I just really wanted to make this popcorn as festive as possible, and it looks really great. I can assure you that it tastes amazing. You can add anything that you want to it. This just happens to be what I had available in my cupboards, and it looks amazing. I hope that this video gives you some type of motivation and an idea of how you can use your leftover Peeps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.